In this problem, we're asked to simplify. Now, what does simplify mean in this case? Well, what I notice is that there's an addition sign in between these two parentheses. So right now, I am not multiplying. I am adding this polynomial and this polynomial. Now, the thing is, that means I'm adding all this junk with all this junk. Those parentheses don't actually mean anything. Yes, they're grouping numbers together, but the groups don't really matter in this case. So what I can do is I can just rewrite this without the parentheses. And as you get comfortable with this, you can kind of skip this step. Now notice here, this becomes plus, this is plus negative 3x squared. That's minus 3x, right? Plus and negative is the same as minus. So what I did is I rewrote the terms without the parentheses, just so they're kind of out of my way. Okay, now I'm looking for like terms. Okay, 5x squared, I'm looking for another term that has x squared. It's right here. Now 5 minus 3 is 2. And notice, I am not changing the exponent, right? Like, this is 5x squared, it's like 5 apples, minus 3 apples is 2 apples. Those apples don't change. Okay, when I'm adding and subtracting, I'm not changing anything about the exponents. Okay, next I'm looking for a like term for 4x. I'm looking for another term that has an x. I don't see one. There isn't any other term that's like terms with this one, so I just bring it down. And then finally, I'm looking for a like term for negative 7. It doesn't have any x on it at all. I notice this 10 also doesn't have any x on it. Those are like terms. So I have negative 7 plus 10, which is the same as 10 minus 7, which is 3. And this is my answer. I have added the two polynomials, and this is my answer.